Holy.
So you can see on here, as you've seen before, but here's an O, and there's our ON right behind it. And I'm going to show you over here, we've already got it in here. So here's our P low end, there's our P upper end. Okay folks, so you can see the telehandler here. This is going to be our 20-foot span. And then we have here a 10-foot span. You can see they're going to be mitered into here. As always, everything is marked. You can see B slot, A slot, telling us this is the R1, so the right side second half. Okay, and then you can see down there, that's the L2, so that's our left side first half. Okay, now what we're doing to make sure is once these bents are up, okay, we do go back around. They've already been braced, but we'll pull the braces off and do a minor adjustment because we know that our span from the center of this to the center of this one here is 8.5 inch. Center of this big beam to the center of that big beam right here is exactly 10 feet. Okay, so once we get these all on a line, we take that big fella, we lift it up in the air. Once it's up in the air, we place it down on top of these, and we're going to use that scaffolding to help place it as well. Yep. So that's a 20+ foot beam here. So as you can see, we've got 2 straps going on there, one on each side of the forklift, and that'll keep things nice and even. And that's where we're going to be landing it. Just a few minutes. Okay, quick lesson here on how to spin your beam. So these beams have a couple of axes, right? So this one actually needs to get spun so that it goes that end to this end. So watch this, we'll lift her up. And then we're going to extend the arms. And once he extends the arms, we can go ahead and give this a spin around. Okay. Now that'll fit the right way on top of there. see you took the two tines of the fork here, made them as close as possible, because we tried to do it with one strap, but it ends up sitting, as you can see from the hole on the other side, right in the middle of where we need to drop this. So get two of them on here, and this will give us a good bit of leeway still, okay?
Go that way.